Hello and welcome to NDTV. I'm Rohit Khilnani. Joining me are three stars from their homes, Shreya, Arjun, Sanjay. Thank you so much for joining me. Guys, so let's tell the viewers, the Gone game you all have made at home. You all were all in your homes and you all shot it, family helped, someone helped. So firstly, it's really something that you all should be very, very proud of, how you all pulled this off. Sanjay, I read that, your son was helping you and you've got some cameramen on some days. What was the biggest challenge for you personally doing this?
The biggest challenge of this is, as an actor, was acting is all about reacting, and here we didn't have another actor in front of you. Either we had a blue screen, or we had ourselves to look at, or just a wall. So that was the most difficult part, and I think so. Nikhil really helped us. We had the readings.
Yes.
Then individually, he was with every actor, because when he was giving the cue, the most difficult part was I had to know when he's giving the cue whether my daughter is talking or my wife, because I have the maximum scenes with them, because I'm only hearing the cue. So I have to know whether it is Amara or my wife, because only Nikhil is giving the cue. So that was the most challenging part. But I must compliment Nikhil for this. He really, really worked hard. Yeah. And if people are liking the trailer and it started streaming today, and if they're going to like the show, I think so all the credit for our work should go to Nikhil. Yeah.
Wow.
Right. Absolutely. Because, I just want to share this, which I've been telling everybody, that, because this experience was such a different, isolated kind of experience. Normally we have multiple readings, we are discussing scenes with actors, and like really, and also particularly for me, because I play the victim of the virus in this show. So I'm the one who's gone. So I really wasn't too aware of what everyone else was doing and what their tracks exactly were.
Right.
Although I read the script once, it was all still, constantly getting updated. And so by the time the shooting days came around, I was really placing all my faith and trust in Nikhil and going into it completely blindly, So I would see what my line is, but at times I would not even know, okay, why am I saying this? And ये कहाँ से आ रहा है और कहाँ जा रहा है और किसको बोल रहा है और क्यों बोल रहा है? But as long as Nikhil is there, and I just told him, Nikhil, I don't know what I'm doing, but tell me exactly what you need and tell me how to do it, and I'll do it. And we shot a lot like that, because I just didn't...
I'll tell you a very simple thing. Right now, we have 4 characters on screen. And now when Arjun is talking, I'm looking at him. When you are talking, I'm looking at you. When Shreya will talk, I will look at her. So at that time, when the characters are talking, there is just a screen. You're only hearing your voice, So coming back to the challenge, for me as an actor, after working for 25 years, like my first film released way back in 1995, and they say as an actor, you always learn. So this was a challenge, and I'm so glad that I was part of such a thing, because after 10 years, when I'm giving an interview and when somebody says, what has been your experience of this journey of 35 years? And this experience is going to be right on top.
Wow, that's so amazing.
Absolutely.
Shreya, when this came by first and you all were told that you have to do this yourself at home, khud hi shoot karna padega, were there any apprehensions?
I think I approached it with a lot of curiosity, because I had no idea what they meant when they said shoot remotely. Everyone is working in their own homes, cues, direction via Zoom. So for me, it was exciting to just be part of this experiment and to go into it with full faith though. And of course, when you know that we have a good cast and we have a good technical team, a good director, somewhere you do have that faith that everyone will be on the same page. And what really gave me confidence was that we did a test shoot. One day all of us actors got together and we shot 3-4 scenes that the production house put together. And when we saw that, I think all of us were taken aback by the potential of the series. And that's when we realized that, okay, we have something and we just need to, focus and give it our all. And we want to make something amazing out of it. And luckily, our families supported us, and it worked out in such a way that, we were patiently able to do these things, because there could have been many challenges, even while doing it. So somewhere, I think we were just very fortunate to have been a bit seamless in all of this process.
Right. It's also fortunate that, you all are actors, you all are getting to do work in this lockdown. It's releasing during this lockdown. Work has not stopped. That's really, really something.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
lucky.
it's something very, very special.
Fortunate.
It's kept us
Yeah.
sane, because though we shot like everybody shot for 8 to 10 days individually, but the process was for about 2.5 months, like the reading, the
Okay,
prep,
okay.
then the post and everything. So, when there is work, everything, your mind is at least occupied. You're
Yeah.
wanting to know, kab dubbing hogi, kab kya hoga.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah.
it was just going blank because you didn't know सुबह उठ के करें क्या, like,
Right.
okay, you have worked out and breakfast you're talking about, lunch and lunch you're talking about dinner,
Yeah.
and
Right.
nothing else is happening. And how much TV,
Yeah.
how many web shows can you watch, or how many
Yeah.
movies can you watch?
Yeah.
So work, when you work and you get those 2 hours of relaxation, you in fact enjoy that. But when
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
relaxing the whole day, you don't even enjoy that relaxing part of your life.
That's so true. Guys, just on a positive note, personally, what do you want to tell people? Shreya, you can start. You all are getting to do work, and it's keeping you sane. It's helping you. What do you want to tell people? Work out, do something during this lockdown, because we are still not going outside our houses.
Well, I would say that don't do anything under pressure. Don't get into a social media competition of productivity. Do what makes you happy because you want to do it. And today, to be honest, as artists, there's no limit to what we can do and what we can explore. So if maybe through our show, if people are inspired to create something, then, nothing like it. But at a time like this, we need to give not just others, but even ourselves some love. And not be hard on ourselves to constantly have to prove something, do something. It's okay. It's some downtime. Relax bhi karo, par ye bhi kar sakte hain.
Very, very important what you said. How close are you to this character? Because you are quite good on social media.
But for me, my social media doesn't intrude my mental space. It's not
That's
something
great.
that
Yeah.
like that I have to do, or it's something that there are some things that come naturally to me, which I do as
Right,
part
right.
of my job. And
Right.
otherwise, I'm also a private person. So I don't allow it to take over me. I'm very
Right.
comfortable without my phone as I am with it.
Wow, that's very important. Arjun, what would you tell people?
Along the same lines, I think we're living in a world that is like riddled with self-made insecurity and all these expectations, which I think social media absolutely has the biggest hand to play in. I think it's most important right now to just maintain your mental equilibrium as best you can,
Right.
and do whatever it takes for that without judgment, like even I have acted out of character, and I've, for
Yeah.
example, just been consuming more alcohol than I usually consume, and
Sure.
it's okay.
Right.
Yeah, and about another thing is that please watch our show, absolutely,
Yes,
because
right.
with all the
That's the most
with all,
important thing.
with
Yeah.
all the, especially with all the all the talk that's been going on in the industry, I think it's really important for new and original work to be supported.
Yeah.
So I would request that certainly of the audience and everybody.
Right. Sanjay, you all have signed the show in lockdown, shot it yourself in the lockdown, you all are releasing it in the lockdown. It's really something that the world has to take a list learning from. So you should be very, very proud. What do you want to tell people as your final word?
Right now we are still going, the pandemic is still on. So I want to start off by telling everybody, whoever is watching and whoever watches it later, that to be careful, you have to be careful. But
Right.
a lot of people are getting a lot of anxiety. I'm so glad these forwards have stopped. The first 2 months, everybody had an advice. Everybody was forwarding, aaj isne ye bola, aaj ye karo, wo karo. I think so. It
Right.
really confused people, and I think so. It scared people. It is
Right.
something to be careful. You should wear a mask and go, but life
Yes.
will go on.
Yeah.
Life will go on. We will pass through this. We have passed through a lot of things. Even this will pass. So
Right.
you should, basically, I want to tell everybody to be positive. There's nothing to be negative. And I think so. The negativity of people, I'm not so much on social media. The only place I am in is on Instagram. But I can see a lot of negativity happening because people are
Right,
so
yeah,
free
yeah.
right now. And I think so. I think so that also will go. I think so because they're doing nothing. So they're
right
just
now.
trolling people. There's too much of negativity.
Negativity.
I think so.
Yeah.
So as a person, it's going to affect them. It may
Yeah.
affect the person a bit whom you're talking about, but
Yeah.
you as a person, it will affect you the most
You
because
also.
that
Absolutely.
thing, your personality will change. So
Right.
I want people to be positive, do positive things. Even if you have to dress up at home and have lunch with the family, do it. Yeah.
Yeah,
If you're
wow,
saying
yeah.
Shreya's dressed up, dress up. Yeah. Dress up and
Yeah,
watch
yeah.
a film, get a popcorn thing, a theater. Find out means of doing things rather
Yeah.
than being, having this anxiety and being negative.
Yeah.
Right.
I
If y'all
just,
have made, yeah, Arjun, please.
nothing. I just want to add that, that if this is where we are now as a species is the new normal, so to speak, then I think this show, coming back to the show, is really trying to adapt to the new reality.
Yeah.
I think it's the first piece of work that's kind of successfully doing that, because it's also like I've been having this thought a lot, and it's pretty confusing because how do writers and creators now develop things which are set in the older way when people didn't have to wear masks or be careful about touching each other? How is it going to feel authentic now when they write stuff like that?
Right.
To
At
depict
least
the
now when I watch it, you're right. If I see a crowded cinema hall or something, I may not relate to it. Yeah.
The only thought you can have is, "Hey, kya din the yaar?" So,
Yeah,
don't know.
I feel it all the time. Whenever I see a film, I see a crowded street in New York or I see a crowded street in Mumbai. ऐसा लगता है अच्छा ऐसे भी दिन थे.
Yeah.
And you also, I feel like, because we were taking on so many responsibilities of so many people, even though we were always grateful and we knew the role of every individual on a set, I think it reinforced how much work and effort goes behind that one shot that us actors have to give. And we're often put on a pedestal and we are given that importance because we're in front of the camera, but every department is so crucial, and you realize it much more when you are struggling to do everything.
Yeah. No, absolutely fantastic. And, the things that you all said are really, really important. And like Sanjay, you said, to stay positive is really, really important. And that's completely in your hands. So I hope everybody follows that, and good luck with your show. I personally enjoyed it. So I'm going to go back to the other episodes.
Thank you
good
so much.
luck. And thank you so much for talking to me.
Thanks,
Pleasure
Rohit.
is all
Bye.
ours.